Welcome back for another Fetch AI price prediction analysis, and at the time of this recording, Fetch AI continues to hold below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance for us to continue gearing up. Fetch AI has also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, and zooming out here on the chart, you can see that on the 17th of August, we saw that massive, that significant low at around the $0.1617 mark, before we saw that bounce to the upside, giving us a high above the $0.275 mark in a move that completed the formation of this wave 1 to the upper side. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2. And using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, I gave you a minimum target area for the second wave between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.618. And you can see that in the last few days, we saw a bit of a breakdown into the target area. We saw a reaction of the target area and got this bounce to the upside. And at the time of this recording, you can see we are seeing another weakness back into the target area, and there are chances that maybe this time we are going to fully maximize the blue target area, get a low for the second wave before we can get impulsive in the formation of this wave 3. And in the next coming hours, we need to keep our eyes on the Fib level 0.618 at around the $0.2045 mark, because we can see a bounce once we touch that area on the Fibonacci's. Alternatively, in case we don't see a bounce and maybe at some point we lose the Fib level 0.618, then I will be expecting the Fib level 0.78 to act as support at around the $0.1857 mark. And at that key area of support, we can get another massive bounce to the upper side. And remember that we need to continue holding above the Fib level 0.78 for us to still consider this as a second wave to the lower side, and a break below the Fib level 0.78 that can give us a reset of the lows that we made on the 17th of August at around the $0.1618 mark. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on the short term here on the Fetch AI chart. And zooming out to also give you my long-term Elliot wave analysis, you can see that back in 2022 November, we saw our lows at around the $0.0525 mark before we started gearing up in a 5-wave move to the upside, giving us a high above the $0.6134 mark, completing the formation of this wave 1 to the upper side. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 into the minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using this red target area, and there are high chances that we now have a low in place for the second wave. And as long as we continue holding within this red target area between the $0.2547 mark and the $0.1751 mark, there are high chances that we can get that massive bounce in the formation of this wave 3. And this is what I'm keeping my eyes on the long term, where I'm expecting another massive bounce in this wave 3 once the bull market starts. So that is what I'm keeping my eyes on here on the Fetch AI chart. And I hope that video was of much help to you, and if it was, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership.